Yeah, I hear him. Yeah, I hear him.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.
I like it.
I see that.
I like it.
Alright, you put it on the lawn. We gonna go to some tacoholics. I'm about to pass out. Alright. You okay? Putting it on the lawn?
Oh, I got shades. You got shades in your car? Yeah. Alright, because I'm gonna say I got shades in my car.
I found some black shades in that thing in our bedroom underneath the TV. I meant to.
Who? Oh, not mine?
They might be. I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, man.
So, tell me about your experience. How you like it?
I like it. That thing, she want to go.
Yeah.
In second gear, I was, what, I think I topped like 80 going down here.
Yeah.
Can I go?
Oh, don't eat that.
Yeah, get the helmet. No, she's good.
She eating grass or eating twigs and stuff.
You can fit this?
Yeah. If you can fit it, motherfucker. Yeah, there's a lot more poofy in mine right now.
Here, man.
Somebody.
What?
That'd be big.
It looks oversized.
All right. I'm just gonna go down there and come back. Which way? Down there?
I'm just gonna go that way, then make a U-turn and come back that way.
Alright. Oh, wait a minute. He want to do one more ride. What thing? thing.
Down here.
No, when you back up, yeah. I know. I noticed that too. I don't know why.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
You
Nice.
gotta be careful with that clutch though, cause she'll raise on you.
Yeah.
So what?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it comes up.
Raise?
Yeah,
You
do a
do
wheelie
that?
by accident, yeah.
You don't even need the clutch, you could just throttle it.
I like it going real fast.
Yeah.
Now?
Oh, in a second.
What do you want me to do?
Just press the circle button when I'm coming, like,
We coming back?
you know, when you hear me coming back, press the circle button. So all you did was
Kickstand.
change the fairings on here?
The fairings. Yeah, the fairings and brand new tires. The turn signals are new. They're fleshed out. The old ones stuck out like whiskers. And I got the when you press the brake, it blinks in the back.
Oh, okay.
Does sound nice though.
What kind of motor?